1,000, 10,000, 50,000. No! 100,000. You can't take these capsule houses. What's this? A palace? And why it costs so much? Let's walk inside to see why. This is our most electrical capsule houses. We build it only for the people who want to enjoy the lecture time with their friends. Also, it has a brain. We put the dipstick mode inside of it. Here, you can see the panel. You can use a voice to control it. Here is our bedroom part. We put a king-size bed inside of it. It is suitable for 2 or 3 people to live. And also, it is smart. You can use a controller to control it. And behind me, it's a balcony part. You can enjoy a tea break with your friend, like this one. The total area of it is around 2 square meters. Also, the area we are in is our smart garden. We put many capsule houses inside. If you like them, please contact with me.